Nagpilit-pilit ang cheese, oy. Dugong Pinoy, mga mahal. Binagoong ang baboy, which is brilliant. Oh my gosh. Sinigang sabaw, which is libre. Lami. And caldereta. Gamay lang ba? Tilaw. Welcome back mga kababayan sa aking life story vlog kung saan ibinabahagi ko ang aking mga life experiences, interviews, travel, food, culture, and more. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button na nasa bottom right part of this video at ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong uploads. Mga loves mo, ang higanit ko din hibatita kay magpa-pet groom ba. Mga akong mga doggies, ano din mag-grooming, take a bath, do their nails. It is called pet wash. The pet wash, mga mahal, mga loves. Kung ang higanit ko din no? Naa din akong favorite nga quesadilla place. Kaning gitawag og Santa Fe Cafe. So, ani ko din pirmi mo buy og quesadilla nila. They are very good in making quesadilla.
Any sauces, by the way?
There's my food. Gracias, mijo. You too. Nagkagubot akong autolabs. Daghang sulod. Anyway, mao ni ang quesadilla, mga mahal. Naagid na slight pakapin nga murag ka ng mga crack unsa ni tawag ani oy. Very Mexican kaayo. Nagpilit-pilit ang cheese, oy. Mag-order gyud ko ani pirmi every time mo visit ko sa akong friend sa Calabasas. Shredded beef, mga loves. If you notice, I keep on taking you to so many different places with so many different kinds of food. Although mostly gyud mga Filipino food kay dugong Bisaya. Dugong Pinoy, mga mahal. Nindot po ng maka-experience po taglaing-laing culture. So that's why I'm doing this. So keep on subscribing, and ang wala pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button para ma-update mo kung unsay mga mao ni lain-lain culture, lain-lain ang mga klaseng of food. We go to cheap restaurants, expensive restaurants, extremely expensive restaurants. Mao ni ang shredded beef quesadilla. Kani siya avocado guacamole sauce. Moani gani ko sa Calabasas. Mo ni ang pinaka-favorite nako nga place sa quesadilla. I don't order quesadilla anywhere because I don't think anyone is as good as making this. Maayo gid sila. Until then, I found a place they make good quesadilla. Oh my gosh, and this is it. I just dropped a kebab. Street food. Nindot kaayo, mga mahal. Chicken, beef, toyo, and so much. It's a Mexican food. Look, it's kebab. Well, it's tortilla, but we call it kebab, or I don't know how you guys call it. Hi guys, dahil mo sila mga inside sa. And that is chicken, the one there, right?
No, that's not chicken.
That's everything?
No, that's called al pastor.
Beef, cow. No?
I don't know what it's called in English. ¿Cómo se dice al pastor en inglés? ¿No saben? ¿Al pastor? ¿Ah?
Pork. Oh, okay. Nalab tanawa ang ilang street food, Mexican. This is Mexican food? Oh wow, this is Mexican food. May mga tinai inside of the beef. That's amazing. May murag mga ginabot ilang ibutang sa quesadilla, which I'm just about to order.
Onions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Onions.
Onions.
That's my quesadilla?
Okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, corazón, gracias.
Okay.
Estoy perdiendo mi español. Okay.
Okay. Practice with them.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, enjoy it.
Okay, you too. Thank you, honey.
To go, like saya? To go?
To go. Yes, please. Por favor.
Burrito con todo, arroz mejor. Quesadilla.
Gracias, mío. Es too pronto.
Quesadilla de pasadita.
Oh my gosh. Gracias, corazón. Pwede po butangan of different kind of sauce. Ang inyong quesadilla, I ordered quesadilla. Yeah. Yeah.
Ever been in the Latino area?
No, this is first time. I'm so happy.
Oh, okay.
Es muy feliz. I'm learning my Spanish.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, so you have to put some sauces here. That's very spicy. That's onion. That's tomatoes. Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. So I can get this one, some of this also?
Yeah, in the little container. This container something.
Okay.
Okay.
Gracias, Mama Mia. I have to try and tilawan ko ni mga lab kay murag. I even asked katong tao nga, unsa man ni ako pag-order, di man ko kahibalo mo order ani gitudloan ko niya mao di ay ni. Oh my god, it looks so good. Gamay lang ba? Tilaw. Hala, oy kalami. Mami, adi ay, oy, ganit na ako batang yung mga sauce. Dili pa complete ang ingredients. Kahit nag-drive pagod ko ni Parkland yun ko kay gutom. Lami mga labs, oy. Ako na yung tiwason niya. Init kayo mga loves, but muadto sa diay ko sa pet shop kay I have to buy palit diay ko og pagkaon sa akong mga girls. Kay gamay na lang, hapit na mahurot. Anya adto gyud ko pirmi mo palit og food nila sa Petco. Beloved doggy girls. Si Pibs ug si Melody, mga cute kayo. Para makatilaw silang nindot og lami og vitamins nga food. So yeah, padong na ta. Okay, mao ni ang pet ko mga loves. Dinhi ko mag-buy og food sa akong mga pinangga nga mga girls. Every single time, mahurot ilang food, anhigib ko dinhi. Daghan sad ni silag mga branches anywhere. Nagyoy pet ko. Si pet ko. There. Kani siya nga store food mga loves. Puros gid ni siya mga pets. So, ay, it's okay. You're good. I'm looking for Instinct. Mauna siya ang brand ng akong gipangita. Instinct. Asa man ni? Okay, where is your food, girls? Ting inita diri summertime. High summer siya. Okay, asa man ang Instinct? Asa man ni?
Only one that we have that's big enough is this.
Is it the same?
Yep.
That's the only one you have left, huh?
Yeah.
Lucky me. Okay, let's go.
No, for small breed. Yeah.
For
nothing bigger for small breed.
yeah, and we got the right one, right?
Turtle cake.
Okay, we're about to check out.
100% off of that exam.
We got it.
And then there's another 15, so I was able to use the one, and then there's a 15 off of the nutrition, and then a 15 off of supplies, but supplies.
Okay, my love, just this one.
Do you have a phone number with us?
310. Oh, 461 9064.
And your total today is $59.12. Did you want a copy of your receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here's your receipt. And you're all set.
Thank you,
Have
my
a great
love.
rest of your day.
God bless you. Thank you. There we are. Dog food, baby's food. It is $59 for my babies. Let me see what I can get for my doggies. I have small dog. Maybe this one. Chicken and turkey, they will like that. I think they will like lamb if they have lamb here. They have no lamb. Chunky beef. Tender chicken. I'm sorry, Melody. I'm sorry, Pibs. There is no lamb for you. I got your chicken and turkey. Na ako'y na-learn nga gamay nga fast food nga ang tawag kusina ni Kuya. Nasa sila yung mga every Filipino food that you can think of. So, muadto ko karon mga laps. Akong suwayan ilang halo-halo kay purting inita. As in, init kaayo din sa LA karon. So, it's halo-halo trip. Plus, apilan sa buog, gamay paniod to nga food, so I'm not quite sure what kind of food I can get, but I'm very sure that I can eat because I am over the top hungry right now. 4 miles, 15-minute drive. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Mapay pagka-finish na ako sa manicure. Ito tapadulong, mga mahal. Mga mahal sa buhay. Ang akong giisip is caldereta o siguro pinakbit or something like kanang binagoong ang baboy, something like that. Dinuguan tingali pero murag dinuguan maybe next eat. I'm moving around a lot to many different restaurants, Filipino mostly. O usahay kanang mga bag-o nga mga experimental food. Because you know, my vlog is about food and culture. Tanaw na to kung unsa ilang menu, murag na ako'y nakitaan kaya ako man dayon gi-google. Excuse me. So kanang man yung dihon sa manayang vlog. Uy, nga sige magkaon. Of course. It's what my vlog is all about. It's there. Kusina ni Kuya. Authentic Filipino food. Beside it is Kahon ni Kuya seafood. That must be the same owner. He just have 2 different kinds of food. So testingan nato ni mga labs. Kainit. Uy, crap. Kusina ni Kuya. Authentic Filipino food. Catering. You have halo-halo?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's caldereta. Right there. And also bagoong. That I want. There, that's what I'm looking for. Hello. How do you do this, Kuya? 1 plate, dalawang ano? Yeah? Bagoong. And this one.
Apretada.
Apritada ba yan o caldereta?
Apretada.
Sige, caldereta, te.
And binagoongan.
Yes, please. Thank you. And then, halo-halo to go. Only 1. Nagbablog ako, te. So, yeah, I have my own channel.
So, this one, lagay ko po ito dito, separate yung caldereta.
No, I thought caldereta at saka bagoong. Yeah, sorry, te. Sarap tingnan.
Diba po itong halo-halo, madam?
To go po, tita. But I have to pay first, right? Yeah, okay. Tita gave me all of her beef caldereta right there. Salamat, tita. Welcome to Kusina ni Kuya. So, love, I am in Kusina ni Kuya. I have the halo-halo to go. I have to bring this home kay puting daghanang pagkaon nga din akong horot. So this one is for later. So I have binagoong baboy, which is brilliant. Oh my gosh. Sinigang sabaw, which is libre. Lami. And caldereta. Si tita gihurot na lang niya hatag sa ako kay naingon siya last naman kuno na. And that's not supposed to be that large. But she gave it all to me. How nice. Anyway, I'm gonna start eating mga loves. Loves, pag-subscribe mo and follow me kay ang akong mga teams sa Philippines, we feed a lot of children in the Philippines and help some poor families. And then ang akong team, they will pick up the right individuals. Basig maluoy ang Ginoo, kamo mo'y ma-pick up sa akong team diha, we can help you. Bisag mga ginagmay lang ba? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pesos, you know. Usahay mag-raffle manggod mi ka ng mga subscribers pa. I-raffle na mo niya. Among padalhan og GCash or just anything really. Sharing is good. I hope this microphone that I'm wearing right now, which is connected also to the receiver on my phone, so I hope the microphone is working. I am hearing comments from some viewers nga niingon sila they have problem with audio, and then so I'm a little confused because ang uban akong mga viewers but niingon sila nga they have very good audio. So nalibog ko. At any rate, I still bought a new set of microphone. I'm not techie like the kids because, you know, mga tigulang na. So I will still try and navigate and try to make it work if it's going to work. If not, na ambot. Unsaon na lang.
Thank you.